it's Fidget Trading Part 2. So, let's go. I'm going to start. Okay, I'll trade you this, and my wacky track. I'll trade you Super Fidget Spinner, 2 of these. Add. Okay. Add this. Accept. Okay, I'll show you these 2 with a wacky track. I'll trade you 3 of my wacky tracks and this. I'm not sure that's really 3. Another wacky track. Okay. I accept. Yes, wacky tracks. I'll trade you this. Because this is my dream fidget. That's your dream fidget. Then I'll trade you this, add this, and this, and this. That's good. Thank you. I'll trade you my dream fidget and my next dream fidget. Add. That's it. I accept. You scanned me? No, I didn't. Okay. I'll trade you 2 of my dream fidget spinners. Actually, 3. These. Add 1 more. Totally accept. Okay, I'll train you this, another wacky track, and my last wacky track, and this, and my awesome finisher. Okay, I'll trade you these 2, this little stretchy animal, and a wacky track. Add, please. Add 1 more wacky track. Accept. Okay. I'll trade you. I'll trade you my dream wacky track. And my lovable heart. Yeah, I'll trade you this wacky track, my dream wacky track, and my dream fidget. Love you, dream fidget. Accept. Thank you.
Why am I locked out of my room?
Hey, here. Huh? Wacky track. These, this, pop it. I'll do this, my dream ball, and my dream wacky track, this. Add. My glass. Add 1 more thing. My dream fidget spinner. Accept. I accept. No. Oh, you gave me your dimple. No. Yes. Butterpea. Butterpea. I'll trade you this. My dream fidget spinner. This. This. Add these wacky tracks. Wacky tracks. One more thing. Need 3 more wacky tracks. I'm just gonna do all my wacky tracks. But you have to add one more thing. Accept. Thank you. Now I have more wacky tracks. Oh, I have one wacky track. This pops so good. I'll give you my last wacky track. Water. I'll give you my last wacky track. Okay. Bum, 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 and done. Add. You can have your wacky tracks. I do not like wacky tracks. I'll give you the goodest wacky track. I don't want any wacky tracks. Okay. If you don't want the goodest wacky track I have a good wacky track. I'll trade you all my wacky tracks. Ah. Okay. Thank you very much. You have to give me stuff. I know. But not all that. 1 second. 1 second, I will trade. I'll trade you all of these. Add and this. Add. Please add. I love my wacky tracks. My dream. Add. Please give me. I do not accept. Okay. Don't want my wacky tracks. I'll give you this. Like that. I'll give you my dream fidget spinner. Throw this on board. And I'll take this. No, you won't. I'll give you all my fidgets. Please give me something good. Rainbow Poppet. No. Add. That's okay. Except you only have 2 fidgets. And I have 11,000. I got my dream fidget. I'll take this. Okay, here. I'll trade you this, my dream fidget. Nope. No, do not accept. I'm not giving you this. Fine. My lucky track. Here. I'll give you all my fidgets for that pop thing. Okay. Nope, I won't. And I'll give you these. This. For that. Accept. Actually, nah. Nope. I'll give you this back. Okay. This is my dream fidget. Wacky track, wacky track, wacky track. Bum, 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 bum. There. And there. Gimme. Gimme. Yes! 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 I'll trade you this. Or all of your wacky tracks and a golden fidget spinner. I don't have any golden fidget spinners. Okay. Let me see my ball then. I need my fidget spinner. Let me see my ball. Come on, let me see my ball for real. Nope. Here. Thank you. At least I have all these wacky tracks. Yay! I'll trade you this. And this. And this. And this. And this. And this. Except. Thank you. I'll trade you literally this, all of that. Except. I'll trade you this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and a dream fidget. Add. Thank you. This and these are mine now. This is mine now. This is my dream puppet. Okay, bye guys. Bye. You scared me. Give me my fish back. Bye guys. See you in the next video.